Alright everyone, good morning. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I'm saying good morning because it is just 15 minutes into pre-market right now at 4 a.m. in the morning. If you're using Webull or Moomoo and I don't know what else there is, you can trade at 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm not saying this to use those apps. I have no relationship with those apps and I'm not sponsoring them. I'm just saying because some people always ask, well, how do you trade so early and so on. So guys, I'm going to talk about PayPal in this video, all right? So I want to talk about PayPal. It is not the first time I talk about PayPal. I have done videos in the past about it. And if you've seen my past videos, you know that I am extremely bullish on this stock. Do I remain bullish on this stock after yesterday's earnings? Yes, even more than before. Even more than before. Even though the earnings were not good, now more bullish than before. And I'll explain why. All right, so PayPal is trading right now in pre-market at $66.56. That's pretty much back to almost, 2017, early 2018 levels. Long ago, right? And will it go back up real soon, anytime to like the $300 that it was in 2021, 2022? No, it's not going to do that. Don't get in PayPal thinking that real soon, within a year, you're going to go, to $300 with it. It's not going to happen, but it will be trading a lot higher than what it is now, in my opinion. And it's going to catch people off guard. People are going to get caught off guard. Those who don't believe, a year from now, they're going to realize that, that wasn't. I've noticed this years in the stock market. Good companies, they get this once in a lifetime opportunities for retail to get in. And I think this is it for PayPal. So my opinion when asked is now the right time to get into PayPal. Well, I can answer it with two different ways. One is that's your money, you decide. Two, personally speak for me, I think this is good. Can you predict the bottom? No one can. If you get lucky to predict the bottom, you can brag about it, but you got lucky. All right, so that's that. For me, it's I think it's a really good entry right now. So PayPal, every negative part about PayPal, in my opinion, has been priced in. All right, I think the company is trading at a support level going for the long term. I just don't see it going much lower than what it is right now. One of the major things that I like about stocks that I'm very bullish on is valuation. Valuation plays a key role in determining for me if I should hold something for the long term. If you're looking at day trades or short-term trades and so on, well, who cares about valuation? But when it comes to putting my money, my hard-earned money, your hard-earned money, you should put them in good companies. So if the valuation is right, that makes me feel perfect, and I can sleep night, very relaxed, knowing that I did park my money somewhere where they'll be safe, in my opinion. So PayPal's valuation, guys, is at around 11 times next year's EPS, which that's attractive. I think it presents a really good opportunity to get into it because that's one key factor into a great valuation for this stock. Now let me read to you real quick something they said in the earnings yesterday. As we look ahead to the rest of 2023 and into 2024, we expect to drive meaningful productivity improvements. Our initial experiences with AI and continuing advances in our processes, infrastructure, and product quality enable us to see a future where we can do things better, faster, and cheaper, right? Leveraging artificial intelligence. These overall cost savings come even as we significantly invest against our three strategic priorities. Now, another thing that I like about it, and people need to take this into consideration of where PayPal is headed in the future, is the big Microsoft deal with PayPal. So if I skip real quick here, we can see that was 7 days ago. Microsoft, PayPal partner to bring Venmo support to Microsoft Store and the Xbox Store. What do we mean by that? Well, Microsoft Corporation announcement to integrate more PayPal financing options, including PayPal's Pay Later and Venmo services. This represents a bullish implication for PayPal. Obviously, this is a long partnership over some years now, but it's going to stretch over many countries globally, and it's going to have a massive improvement and reflection on PayPal's earnings going forward. Because now this is going to introduce installment payments, split payments, right? And that's diversification in the form of payments for users. Now, when we look at the earnings yesterday real quick, the revenue was $7.3 billion. That was 7.4% positive year over year. That was an increase, right? 7.4%. And it beat the analysts by 30 million. The total payment volume was $376 billion. That grew by 11%. I mean, think about that. Double-digit volume and transaction growth year over year. 6.1 billion payment transactions was up 10%. 54.7 payment transactions per active account on a trailing 12-month basis, up 12%. They had 431 million total active accounts compared to just 429 million in the second quarter of 2022. If you look at the revenue of the company for the past 8 years, it's been nothing but green. One of the most rare and few companies in the entire stock market where you can look at 8 years straight and never see negative revenue growth. And I've said this many times before, if you find a stock where it has 8 years straight of revenue positive growth, it is not an automatic buy, but it is definitely a stock you should do your due diligence on and see what's going on. We could look at the total debt is at $10.4 billion. Net income was $2.4 billion, yes, in 2022, of course, not for 2023. It ended the year in 2022 with $2.4 billion, which was a lot less than that of 2021, but still positive every single year on the net income. That's another thing you should look at. 8 years straight, does it have a positive net income? Yes, good. All right, doesn't make it an automatic buy, but worth looking into. The analysts are giving this a 70 low, 84 average, and a high of 160. Either one of those, any of those three, in my opinion, the stock will definitely hit within the next 12 months. That's just my opinion. So I'm very bullish. I'm very confident. I don't see any other stock out there. I mean, there are other stocks out there. I get it, but
are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
It's, PayPal belongs in the top, let's say, 10%, in my opinion, of stocks that I feel 100% confident, right? Well, I should say 99.9% confident, because 100% in the stock market never exists. Valuation score. Don't trade according to this at all in any way, shape, or form. This is just for entertainment purposes, guys. Just call it a joke if you want. It's 5 out of 5 for me. So I score this. I give a valuation score of 5 out of 5 on PayPal as it is right now for a hold of 1 to 2 years. I feel that I can't go wrong with buying PayPal. I think it's a powerful company. Great company. I don't fear it. Warren Buffett, like he was smart when he said that. I mean, he is smart, but some people, they fear when they see red. But going downwards and seeing red in something that is an opportunity, you shouldn't fear it, in my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below if you think PayPal is worth investing in, yes or no. And thank you very much for watching this video.